In this video, I'm reviewing Modo, a car rental service that offers a seamless online experience for renting vehicles. From the moment I landed on their site, I was impressed by how user-friendly the interface was. The website is well organized, with clear categories for choosing cars, managing bookings, and accessing customer service. The booking process was straightforward. Selecting the car type and dates felt intuitive. Prices are competitive, and there are options for short and long-term rentals. While figuring out how to make the trip smoother, I stumbled upon Get Rent a Car. Since then, traveling's never been easier. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. One of the standout features of Modo is its flexible cancellation policy, which is great if your travel plans change. You can also modify your reservation easily through your account, which is a big plus for last-minute changes. On the downside, there was a small issue with the payment processing. My transaction was temporarily delayed, but it was resolved quickly by their support team. That said, their customer service response time was quick, and the staff was professional and helpful. The car I received was in excellent condition, clean, and ready to drive. The process of picking up the car was quick, but I did have to wait a bit longer than expected for the checkout. Still, the overall experience was positive, and I'd recommend Modo to anyone looking for a reliable car rental service. If you're planning a trip, Modo provides an efficient, cost-effective solution for renting a car. Their website offers helpful information, and they have a wide range of vehicles available. You can rest assured that you'll find a car that fits your needs. Be sure to check out the description for more useful links. Don't forget to like this video if you found my review helpful and subscribe for more content like this.